Hi, I'm Tracy with Afraid Not Crochet. One of the first things you need to learn when starting to crochet is how to chain. So today, I'll be teaching you how to do that. Grab your hook, some yarn, and let's get hooking. So I'm going to show you how to make a chain. First, you need a hook. I have my Clover eye hook, which is a 5.5 millimeter. And I love this cotton yarn. I really do like this yarn. It's super soft. If you look on the back side, it says 4. 4 stands for worsted and medium. Medium worsted cotton. You want to go in the middle and find the tail. You don't want to go on the outside. See, this is the outside of the yarn. If you go on the outside of the yarn and find the tail, you'll end up chasing your yarn, or your animal will. Now you're going to perform a slip knot. You're going to go criss, cross, grab your hook, go under the criss, over the cross, grab on with your thumb and pull out your fingers and pull. Now grab those two pieces and pull. There you go. Let's try that again. Criss, cross, under the criss, over the cross, grab it, hold it, get your fingers out, pull, and pull. So now you're ready to crochet. What you're going to do is you're going to need to take this knot. Now I hold my yarn like this. Everybody has their own personal preference on how they hold it, and with you starting, new to starting, you might not even hold the knot. But what I do is I hold my knot, so I have my yarn like this. I hold the knot. Now take the yarn and go from right to left. Turn your hook and pull through. So you're going to go right to left, pull through, right to left, turn, pull through, right to left, turn, pull through, right to left, turn, pull through. Now, I actually go underneath with my hook. I use my hook instead, just like this. So I go under, turn, because I tend to make a lot of chains very quick. It's the same end result. It doesn't matter if you yarn over with your finger or if you go under with your hook, it all turns out the same. And that's all there is to making a chain. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thank you for watching and happy hooking.